I am busy plus verbing. I am busy editing videos. I am busy analyzing data. I am busy composing music. I am busy coding software. I am busy writing reports. I am busy composing poetry. I am busy creating content. I am busy teaching a class. I am busy planning projects. I am busy managing finances. I am busy creating websites. I am busy researching trends. I am busy drafting proposals. I am busy attending meetings. I am busy managing inventory. I am busy training employees. I am busy conducting surveys. I am busy designing graphics. I am busy learning new skills. I am busy coordinating travel. I am busy coordinating events. I am busy crafting blog posts. I am busy developing products. I am busy crafting new recipes. I am busy responding to emails. I am busy organizing schedules. I am busy developing strategies. I am busy developing strategies. I am busy overseeing operations. I am busy managing social media. I am busy practicing a language. I am busy conducting interviews. I am busy analyzing data trends. I am busy designing a mobile app. I am busy coordinating logistics. I am busy creating illustrations. I am busy coordinating logistics. I am busy creating illustrations. I am busy crafting presentations. I am busy planning team building. I am busy practicing a new skill. I am busy troubleshooting issues. I am busy conducting experiments. I am busy developing lesson plans. I am busy analyzing market trends. I am busy designing a new website. I am busy crafting handmade items. I am busy troubleshooting hardware. I am busy setting up online stores. I am busy managing project budgets. I am busy creating email campaigns. I am busy troubleshooting software. I am busy troubleshooting software. I am busy analyzing financial data. I am busy drafting legal contracts. I am busy reviewing legal documents. I am busy crafting new blog content. I am busy conducting market surveys. I am busy coordinating photo shoots. I am busy managing inventory levels. I am busy crafting handmade jewelry. I am busy crafting handmade jewelry. I am busy coordinating event details. I am busy creating project proposals. I am busy overseeing quality control. I am busy conducting lab experiments. I am busy creating content calendars. I am busy crafting marketing pitches. I am busy conducting market research. I am busy drafting project proposals. I am busy crafting marketing pitches. I am busy analyzing customer feedback. I am busy developing training manuals. I am busy reviewing project timelines. I am busy coordinating event logistics. I am busy crafting marketing campaigns. I am busy practicing for a performance. I am busy creating marketing brochures. I am busy creating marketing materials. I am busy creating instructional videos. I am busy developing training materials. I am busy reviewing architectural plans. I am busy troubleshooting software bugs. I am busy troubleshooting software bugs. I am busy creating product descriptions. I am busy reviewing performance metrics. I am busy crafting new software features. I am busy responding to customer reviews. I am busy developing marketing materials. I am busy analyzing financial statements. I am busy troubleshooting network issues. 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 I am busy managing social media campaigns. I am busy developing new safety protocols. I am busy conducting employee evaluations. I am busy crafting new business proposals. I am busy responding to customer inquiries. I am busy coordinating travel arrangements. I am busy coordinating conference logistics. I am busy practicing mindfulness techniques. I am busy crafting new product descriptions. I am busy crafting new marketing strategies. I am busy overseeing project implementation. I am busy crafting new advertising campaigns. I am busy troubleshooting technical problems. I am busy coordinating team building activities.